Okay, so we got, I ground a high-speed steel bit, very sharp, extremely sharp. It cuts much better than that round finishing tool, but maybe it's dull. I don't know. This cuts extremely nice, finishes very good. We're going to take this down to, I think, roughly 1.75 inches and look at it and see what I want to do. I don't want to, it's the only piece I got, so I don't want to screw it up. Just want to show the progress so far. I don't have I packed away my tripod when I was going to move, and I don't know where it is, so I'm just going to do progressive videos and not show machining videos because I can't really set it up nice so you can actually see what's going on. But I guess I can show a little bit. So here we go. Let's put it in gear. See, it's a very good, cutting beautifully. Alright, so we're going to do a little bit more. I'm going to take this down to about 1.75 inches and we'll come back to it in a little bit here. Alright, thanks.